Well, I was working, I was putting up stock. And when I went to put stock up, the box broke and all of the produce fell and snatched me down. It snatched me around for the right side. Well, the company sent me to their doctors, where their doctors was going to make reports to them. And their doctor said, well, there's nothing wrong with you. I then came back to the Goins Law Firm and I explained my situation to them. They got me a doctor to go to, and when I went to their doctor was courteous, kind, and patient. Patience is the virtue here, because when they're being patient, they're taking the time, asking you where you hurt, how you were hurt. Goins Law Firm set it up. I finally got to a doctor that I needed to go to. Then they worked with me to get me to the doctor that would actually do the surgeries that I needed.
A lot of times we're able to get the insurance companies to do what we need to, but when we're battling these big corporations, we had to go to trial.
We had to go to trial a number of times.
Well, I appreciate you listening to the counsel that I gave you. This has not been an easy road, and they intentionally make it difficult. They want you to give up. They want you to pack up. They want you to take some quick, cheap, easy settlement and neglect your shoulder and your neck and your arm and all the things that have been injured here. But I think being patient, Joe, and having the courage to tell your story in front of a judge, it proved victorious in this case, and we got you your surgeries.
If it hadn't been for Goins Law Firm, they would have walked over me, pushed it under the rug, and said there is nothing we can do, like they've done so many others.
We've been through a lot, haven't we?
We've been through thick and thin.
Okay.
We have become, over a period of time, you're not just my attorney, you're my friend.
Likewise. Well, Joe, you are definitely more than a client. You're our friend, and we're fortunate to be able to represent good people who have terrible injuries and have accidents and unfortunately find themselves in the workers' comp spin cycle where they're just getting spun around and nothing's happening. So it's been a privilege and a blessing to be able to represent you, and we appreciate you.
We appreciate you. We thank you, me and my family.